In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an Instagram account from Meta Business Suite. If you've connected an Instagram profile to your Meta Business Suite and you don't use it anymore, or you want to switch to a different account, removing it properly is important. This helps keep your business assets organized, protects your access, and avoids giving the wrong people control over your Instagram or ad accounts. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. You can do this by typing business.facebook.com into the address bar and logging in with the Facebook account that manages your business. Make sure you're signed into the correct profile, especially if you handle multiple businesses or pages. Once Meta Business Suite loads, you should see your business dashboard with options like Home, Notifications, Planner, and more. Next, look for the Settings option. Depending on your layout, this is usually found in the left-hand menu. Scroll down that menu slowly until you see Settings or More Tools, then Settings. Click on it. This will open a new section where you can manage your business assets, accounts, permissions, and all the connections linked to your business suite. Inside the Settings area, you'll see a column on the left side of the screen with different categories. Find the section labeled Accounts. Under that section, click on Instagram Accounts. This is where Meta lists every Instagram profile that is currently connected to your business. When the Instagram Accounts page opens, you should see the account or accounts that are linked. Take a moment to double check that you are selecting the correct Instagram profile, especially if there are multiple accounts listed. Removing the wrong one can disconnect it from your ads, inbox, and connected pages. Once you've selected the Instagram account you want to remove, look for the Remove button. This is usually located near the top right or alongside the account details. Click on Remove. Meta may show you a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to disconnect this account from the business suite. Read that message carefully, then confirm the removal. After you confirm, the Instagram account should disappear from the list. That means it's no longer connected to your Meta Business Suite. If you ever need to reconnect it or add a different Instagram account, you can return to the same section and follow the prompts to add a new one.